Hello, first graders. This is Mrs. Zastro. I'm going to teach you how to do boom cards. You're going to go to the link that's on your letter that says boom cards, or you can go to wow.bloomlearning.com, and you're going to come up with a page like this. You do not have to do any student sign in or anything like that. All you have to do is hit fast play, and you're going to be given a pin. And our pin is QAYX. You're going to be given rhythms. You click the little speaker here to hear the pattern. There's a little metronome, or there's going to be 4 little clicks to start, and then it will play the rhythm like this. If you need to hear it again, you can play it again. That sounded to me like ta, 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 sh. Let's see if I'm right. We're going to hit submit answer. And it says we're correct. It's going to take you and do it the next one. I'm going to let you do the rest of these on your own. Have fun!